Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to post journal entities in Zoho Books, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in Zoho Books platform. This is our dashboard. So here if you want to add any entities for you in this book, how you can do it. The process is really simple. You just need to be follow this guideline. You just need to go over here, and then you will find out the options manual journal. Just select this one, and here you are allowed to create a new journal. Just click this one, and here you can provide a reference, also then provide a notes if you want, like hit the like button, and then you can add journal type cash based journal, and you can add all the necessary things. Like here you can see that contact informations also. Then similarly you can see whatever you want to add in here, you can add this place. Then you can just click on save as draft if it is possible. Please enter valid amount or debit card. So you just need to be add and debit, like debit was 500 and credit was 300, and then just click save as draft. And here please ensure the debits and credits are equal. Okay, that's great. And now just click save and draft. Okay, there is something problem we have. Just click save and draft, and let's try this one, save as draft. So there is a problem I am facing, that is that please ensure that the debits and credits are equal. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, 10506 text, and just click save as draft. And in this way you can easily post journal entities in your platform. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.